Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to track your AliExpress order. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to section My Orders. Now find order that you want to track and tap Track Order, or it can say View Details. So now you should see something approximately like this. This is tracking information page where you can see your estimate delivery time right here, your carrier, your tracking number, and of course your shipping updates, like it can say shipped, arrived at sorting center, or ready for delivery. So if, for example, the built-in tracker, this tracker looks like it's stuck and it stops updating, you can copy tracking number by tapping this icon and paste it into universal tracker like 17 track. AliExpress suggests me that I use this tracker, and you can see there even more detailed updates. And if, for example, your package is stuck for weeks, sometimes it's just customs or slow shipping, but if it goes past the buyer protection deadline, you can open a dispute so that you don't lose your money. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.